Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have received my kit from Rosies Crafty Shack here on YouTube, and it is a tag kit. Look at this bad boy. See how big his tag is? This is a tag. And with it came some of Rosie's photocopies of her mixed media papers. Isn't it gorgeous? She does such an amazing job. And then we have this one. And this one. I love it. I absolutely love it. Very thick cardstock. And then we have this one. Great job. And in the packet, which reminds me I need to order more packets, more bags. We have some book pages. And some distress cards. And it was like more of the mixed media, cut down smaller. And then another little bag. Rose sells a kit every month to make something different. She's the one that I bought the kit to make the purse with. So we have these itty bitty little tickets. Aren't they the cutest little thing? There's 3 of these. Flowers. Another flower die cut. Another flower, and Paris. As if this isn't enough, then you get another bag. And Rose says close it. And in this bag, I have a little strip of cotton lace here. Another one. Love this. Some black with some buttons on it. It's really pretty. Some little pieces of crochet. It was like cut from a doily. It's really nice. Some ribbon with lace with fringe on it. Gorgeous piece of lace here. Absolutely gorgeous, and a lot of it too. Absolutely gorgeous. Another piece with some fringe hanging off of it. And a wide piece of lace. And then, if that's not enough, you have another bag. You're getting well over the price of this kit, guys. Well over it. And get your little white rose. Another rose. This is a paper one. Another rose. Rose went overboard with roses. Get it? And another rose, and a piece of bling fell out down here. A leaf. Go with your roses. a little packet of bling. Here's a clothespin, some half-backed beads, some more bling, and some buttons. I'm not going to pour all of this out. But you can see you get more than your money's worth for her kits. And I just absolutely love these little pieces of bling here. They look fantastic on everything. So, check out Rosie's Crafty Shack here on YouTube. Pop her a message if you're interested in getting kits from her. You can sign up to get them on a monthly basis, or if she has any for that month left over that she did not sell, you can buy one. Just buy one kit. She also will be doing a sale soon on some fabrics. And I'm not sure if she's going to show her happy bags at that time or not, but she also sells a happy bag, which is a fairly good sized bag of laces and materials and things. So check her out, Rosie's Crafty Shack. And I don't know if I'm going to do this on a live yet or not, but when I finish it, I will show it to you. And I'll see you soon. Thanks for tuning in. And I'm going to be showing some previews of some of my upcoming sales. I have started another page on Facebook and deleted the Kathie's Crafting Friend, not Kathie's Creative Life one, because I don't have that name anymore. So I'm switching everything over to what the new channel name will be as soon as YouTube lets me change it. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.